Welcome to Passive Profit Plan, your go-to source for making money online and growing your affiliate marketing business. We are a one-stop shop for all your online business needs. On our website are exclusive resources and guides on affiliate marketing, website optimization, and online marketing strategies. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to stay updated on our latest content, tips, and news related to the affiliate marketing industry. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest tips, strategies, and resources for earning passive income and building a successful online business. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you'll find valuable content on our channel. Expect to find tutorials on how to start and grow your affiliate marketing business, reviews of the best affiliate programs and products, and case studies of successful affiliate marketers. We also share insights on online marketing, website optimization, and how to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Join our community of entrepreneurs and take your affiliate marketing journey to the next level. Make sure to hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Facebook to stay updated on all of our latest content. Let's make money online together.